better. Okay. Everyone listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Good. Now I can finally think clearly. Deck content?
Yes?
I'm giving up producing your show, unpaid, whilst doing my normal job.
But the ratings have shot up 10 billion.
And I've missed out on helping my friends. That's what's important. Captain,
Yes, McLaren.
I'm sending you some learning aids. You'll pass that test, even if you have to take it again and again. Flying spaceships is who you are. Sid?
I know what you're gonna say. Get an old person to help me. I'm on it, ma'am.
Actually, I was just gonna say get a grip, it's only a film, but okay. Nova, what exactly is wrong with the way Bubbles sings?
Her voice is scratchy, the notes go on forever, she wonkifies lyrics, she's way too loud and crazy emotional.
You know I'm still here, right?
And is there any type of singing where those would be considered good things?
Oh! Rock opera. Rock opera means big emotions, big hair, big everything. It's
Music in its rawest form. An opening of the heart so wide that only enormous truth can emerge.
You need to invite Ishi. I always sing gooder when McLaren's around, because it shows her I'm best.
She's in the jungle.
Is she in the jungle?
Don't start that again.
Tell you what, boys, I'll give you my last great idea if you lend us one of your camera crew to film a very special performance.
Yes, yes, anything. Now, what's the big idea?
We let Honk decide the punishments for you.
Genius! Wait, what?
The trick to being a grown-up is to act tired. Like you've seen it all before. And be on your phone.
I know, tedious. Well, hang on, just one. Oh, sure, whatever.
Right, come on, Digit. We've got a test to retake. Attempt 2,343. Here come the results. Ah, I passed! I passed! I'm still an ace pilot. Never give up, eh, did you? What? I'm due an eye test? What?
Everything's set up in my suite. Now all we have to do is...
I saw horrible things. Horrible things! Black and white. Subtitles, people talking and talking. Nothing was totally obliterated at all. No one explosion. Oh, I'm going to be a kid, and you can't stop me.
Perfect tantrum. I told him that, you know. Come on. Nova Jones's Mobile Musical Academy with personal superstar tuition presents our first graduate and genuinely brilliant singer, Bobbles Smithsonian.
I've never felt this feeling. The emptiness isn't leaving, just floating around my head. I've never felt this lonely. You're my one and only, and I know I never said just how much you mean to me. Now you're not here, I wanna say I'm you opened up my eyes, but you're not here by my side. And I hear your name, yeah, I know it's not the same. I wish you could see it all, yeah. I wish you were watching over 'cause you are my beloved. I always had your shoulder there to cry. Now I'm half, yeah, I'm half of what I used to be.
This is Bobbles Smithsonian live with today's big question. Is she? Am I talented enough to tempt you back from Decantant? Will you be my camera bud again? Wait, where are you going? Why won't you speak to me?
Oh, honestly. Everyone knows camera buds aren't allowed to talk when the red light's on. Go ahead.
Bobbles, I didn't leave you for Decantant. He's not that talented. I left you because you don't listen. You're always on, always talking.
That's my job.
And you're amazing at it. But I never get to ask about your day, or tell you how I feel, or explain how you can't sing, and you definitely shouldn't do it on television.
But I can sing now. Neighbour taught me.
She taught you auto-tune. Lucky I wasn't recording that, huh?